Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hold on, let me fix my camera. Today I'm going to be unboxing and taste testing the InstaCandy. Well, I think it's kind of ripped, but InstaCandy and the Munchpak Mini. I did purchase both these myself. I do get this Munchpak often, and I recently switched to the 10 Plus, which I think they call it the original one. So, yeah, and there was a sale going on for this InstaCandy, so I figured I wanted to try it out and see what was going on with it. I have already opened them, and I tasted one thing out of each box, so let's see. So here's what it looks like when you open it. It just says InstaCandy, and of course it comes with some little coupons from HelloFresh, some wine vouchers, and then their little card. And the card is, you post a picture of your InstaCandy box on Facebook or Instagram and get an additional InstaCandy box free. So, yeah, I'm excited about that. So the first thing in here is Road Crew Crunch Milk Chocolate Mile, a collision of creamy milk chocolate, crunchy peanuts, rich rice puffs, and pretzels. These are made with gluten-free, non-GMO, no artificial colors or flavors. Alright, these are pretty good. I like these. And this is big. I cannot remember how much I paid for this. I really can't remember, so I don't want to say it wrong. And I really did like these. I already tried them. I will try them again. But they're just really good. This is what they look like. Next thing I got is this from Smashmallow Cinnamon Churro. I tried these and they are disgusting. They kind of taste like Peeps, but the cinnamon, I don't know. I'm not going to try this because I tried it earlier because I thought I'd really like them and I hated them. But here's what they look like. Hopefully you can see it. Oh shoot. Yeah, and it's like that marshmallow stuff in the inside. I just don't like that. I will be giving these away. These are just not my cup of tea. Okay, so we got some more stuff in here. Next things in here are these sour suckers. We have cherry, orange, grape, and I'm guessing this one is grape also. Or not grape, apple. These are called Intense Flavor Sour Bon Bon Boom Bubblegum Pops. So I'm excited to try the cherry one. I don't really so much like orange. And then I'll try the apple one. So I'm excited about those. Next thing in here is Sour Power Sorts. 4 flavors. They just look like sour straws. They have strawberry, green apple, blue raspberry, and tutti frutti. Here's what they look like. The packaging is so cute though. They look so sour. Let's see, let's try one. Strawberry tutti frutti must be yellow. It smells amazing. These are delicious. I'll be eating plenty of these. Next thing, which I'm familiar with, is the Haribo. I'm not sure if I'm saying it right. They're little gummy bears and they're sour. I thought this was really cute and I really like these. I love sour stuff. I'll go ahead and try one, but I know I like these. Let's try a red one. Here's what they look like. Okay. Next thing in here, well, anyway, it's 4 of these, and it just says Land of the Gummies. I'm guessing it's just a sour gummy bear. So I'm not going to try this because, like I said, I'm pretty sure it's just a sour gummy bear. The next thing in here is Original Candy Raisins from Lake Country Candies. Let's see if these are actually raisins. It says, why candy raisins? As you recall, the only thing linking this candy to raisins was its wrinkled top. We chose the name Candy Raisins to embrace the history of the original product. Okay, so I'm not really sure what these are, but I guess we can go ahead and try them. I'm kind of scared. They kind of look like, they don't smell good, but this is what they look like. Looks kind of weird. Wow. Oh. Oh my goodness. I don't know what that flavor is. I know what it is, but I cannot think of it. They are disgusting. Very disgusting. And they hurt my teeth. So, yeah. That's it for this one. I can get it closed back up. I will link down below the prices and everything for the InstaCandy subscription box, because like I said, I cannot really remember how much it is. Next we got the Munchpak Mini. I love getting this. Okay, this is what it looks like whenever you open it. They always send you a little card that says this Munchpak was just for you by Jason, so thank you, Jason. Okay, let's dive in. So this is what I tried, the KP Mega Minis pickled onion flavor, made in Ireland. Look at how funny that is for like a chip bag. That's hilarious. In the back, now these are kind of weird looking. They look, I don't know what they're supposed to be. I don't know if those are supposed to be feet, or let's see if I can get a... I really did like these though. These were very good. They're delicious. Next thing, I got these in my last Munchpak Mini, but in the apple flavor. These are so delicious. They are bonbons watermelon, product of France. Eiffel bonbons. These are delicious. They look like they'd be hard, but they're really not. They're good. I'm gonna dive right in and try these. Oh wow, these ones are a little bit harder than the other ones. Okay, so yep, these were delicious. I mean, It tasted just like the other ones, except for these ones are watermelon and the other ones were apple. So I have also had and got these before in Munchpak, which kind of makes me kind of upset, because I mean, I got these last time in apple flavor, and I have got the same matcha green tea ones before. These are Koala's March green tea, matcha green tea filled little cookies. I want to say the brand is Lotte, not really sure, but I'm excited because these are very delicious. So I'm not really that upset, but I wish I didn't get like the same thing. So here's they look like. They're so cute. They have little koala bears on them. They're so cute, and they're so delicious. Here's what it looks like in the inside. So you can see it's like green. Yes, those are delicious. And the box is so cute. Okay. Next thing in here is a Noel wafer in strawberry flavor. I'm not a big fan of strawberry flavored wafer stuff. And I think I have got these before also. But it comes with 4 of them. Here's what they look like. We'll break it off on the inside. Let's try a piece. They taste like just like those wafers I used to eat when I was a kid. I think they're just called wafer. I'm not really sure, but they had chocolate, vanilla, and strawberry flavored ones. They're good, and I don't think it really tastes that much like strawberry. There's not a lot of strawberry flavoring in it. Okay. On to the next product is from Vito Rolla Belta fruit flavor candy. It's a duo, I guess. Let's see. Yes, different language. Cannot read anything on here, but it looks like just a fruit flavored roll up thing. Oh wow, this is really sticky. Yeah, and it has like 2 colors. The top part is pink and the bottom is yellow. And there's what it looks like. I'm going to roll some up and then just try a little piece. Good Lord. Okay, so yes, that was delicious. Definitely gets stuck in your teeth, but it was good. I can't really figure out what the 2 flavors are. I think I may be tasting strawberry, but I'm not sure what the yellow flavor is. It's not banana. It may be pineapple. I'm not really sure. Okay, so the last product we got in here is from Lovasai. And again, I can't read what it is, but the packaging is so adorable. But I'm guessing it's just like maybe a banana flavored bear. If you can see right there, I'm not sure if you can see, it has like a little banana. So let's see. Oh yeah, it's a yogurt banana. I mean, a yogurt bear. That's banana flavored. I'm excited to try this. Oh wow. Oh, he just smells like bread. I'm guessing there's look how cute he is though. That's so cute. Okay, let's see. I'm guessing he has yogurt. No. I ripped off his head. Okay, so that thing, I'm on the edge about it. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't have much flavor, and it kind of dries out your mouth. There was a little bit of banana flavored yogurt in there, which I don't know why the whole thing didn't have banana flavored yogurt in it. I'm not sure, but just to have a little piece of banana flavored yogurt in there just doesn't cut it for me. I would not purchase that myself. I mean, I purchased the box, yes, but I would not go out and purchase that product. No offense to anybody that does eat that product, it just isn't for me. So my favorite thing is definitely these. These are so delicious. Pickled onion. Yes, these are delicious. So hopefully you guys like this video. If you guys want more unboxing taste test videos, make sure to leave a like or a comment. And I'll be back with more videos.